Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
So finally today Nothing shared a image about the phone, and also last month Nothing also released a beta version about the OS. So in this video I like to share you guys Nothing OS. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Nothing OS beta version also available in the Play Store, but this OS is available for some selected device like Galaxy S21, S22 series and Pixel 5 and 6 and OnePlus device. Then you have to install and open the application. Then you have to select Nothing Launcher. The Nothing OS look very nice and clear OS, and all the application is look bigger and is very easy to use. Then press the home screen and click on widget, and here you can find Nothing Launcher 3 widget which look very nice, and so you can add your home screen. It look very nice and clear. So this launcher you can just add some clock and weather widgets in your home screen. Nothing too much customization option because this is the beta version, and I hope very soon the final version release Nothing OS as soon as possible. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.
Impatient, who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it,